I'm Becky DPT. I would like to share a video of an adjustment with my nephew. It is currently in the middle of swim season. He has regionals and states coming up, so we just did an adjustment. You'll notice that these repetitive motions cause tweaks in his spine that we can actually go in and we can realign. You'll notice just about every time his left hip is forward and his right shoulder blade is elevated. And that is because the direction that he turns in all the repetitions of his practice. So today I would just like to show you the correction. Kink, kink. Opposite direction. And we have a little curve. We come down, hips rotated, and shoulder blades. Because of that left turn, that right shoulder is up, left is lower. Tug, tug. Good. Real relaxed, real relaxed. Yes. Real relaxed. Relax, nice deep breath. And blow out and just, melt to the mat. Melt, melt, melt. These are all tight. Tight, tight. Melt, melt. Deep breath in and blow out. You are not melting. Nice deep breath in and blow out and melt to the mat. Melt, melt. That was a good one. One more deep breath in. And blow out. Melt to the mat. Just relax. You were out pretty bad. And we have the right longer again than the left. Nice tug. Nice tug. Good.
Ow.
Even ankles. Good. Bend up. Squeeze real hard. Good. Relax. And again, squeeze real hard. Relax. And one more time. Hard as you can. And traveling down. The neck looks great. The spinal alignment looks great. And let's check the hips. Good. Very good.